Hi. Today we received package from connectwithTaar.com. It came nicely packed in a unique, beautiful packing. Basic information and technical features regarding products are printed on individual cable package. The first cable I unbox is called Taar Flex. The box contains 1 meter premium quality white iPhone lighting connector cable. The cable is made of thermoplastic elastomer, TPE. 5 cores of pure copper for speed data and max current support. It supports up to 4 ampere current. The company logo and name also embossed on cable. The second cable I unbox is called Taar Nova. It includes 1 meter white color type USB-C cable. The cable is made of polyvinyl chloride PVC. Cable outer diameter is 3.5 millimeters. It supports up to 4 ampere current. The build quality seems excellent. For detail, unboxing link is given in description.